Hello students, welcome to your English class. Students, we have completed reading of chapter number 10, The Puss in the Class, and we have also done the question answers of these lessons. Today we will do some exercises given in your English practice book. See, this is your English practice book. And today we will do the exercises given in this book. The name of the chapter is The Puss in the Class. So this is the page number 28 of your English practice book. So see, some pictures are given and the words are written here. So you have to identify the pictures and you have to write the names. Let's read the question. Question number 1. See each picture and select a word from the help box that names the picture. Okay, see the first picture. Are you able to identify what is this? This is green. Okay, and it grows during rainy season. It grows everywhere. So what is this? This is grass. Grass, grass. So you will write grass. And next picture is dress. DRESS, dress. Okay. Now see what Geeta is doing. Geeta is kissing her doll. So Geeta, what Geeta is doing? She is giving a kiss to her doll. So KISS, kiss. You will write kiss here. Now this is the class. Students are sitting, teacher is teaching and they are listening properly. Okay, so class, CLASS, class. Now this is a board game. This is also an indoor game. So this is game of intelligence. What is this? Chess. CHESS, chess. Okay, you will write here. Now this is the puss blows this. What is this? This is a musical instrument. This is brass. BRASS, brass. Oh, such an untidy place. Okay, so I told you the meaning of this type of thing. What is this? Mess. MESS, mess. You will write here. And this is ASS. Okay, children. Now question number 2. Come, let's read the instruction. Encircle the rhyming words from each line. The first one is done for you. Oh, so what you have to do? You have to read these words and you have to find their rhyming word from among these two words. So first one is done. So this word is glass. GLASS, glass. So the rhyming word for glass is class. CLASS, class. This word is bless. So glass and bless both have different sound. A sound and ble, a sound. So they are not rhyming. But glass and class, these two words are rhyming. Likewise, LOSS, loss. So MASS, mass. So loss and mass. No, these are not rhyming. Because it has O sound, it has A sound. So loss and toss. These two words are rhyming. So you will encircle this word. Now L-E-S-S, less. C-H-E-S-S, chess. So chess rhymes with less. P-A-S-S, pass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Pass, grass. These two words are rhyming. So you will encircle grass. Hiss. H-I-S-S, hiss. M-I-S-S, miss. So hiss and miss are rhyming word. So you will encircle both the words. Okay, you have to encircle both the words. Loss, you will encircle loss and you will encircle toss. Then you will encircle less and chess. Pass, grass. Hiss, miss. Now third question, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks with the given words. So these words are given and you have to read the sentence and you have to fill the words accordingly. Okay. So first is, the children are in the dash. So the children are in the class. The children are in the glass. The children are in the grass. The children are in the dress. And the children are in the chess. These words do not express any meaning. But the children are in the class. This word, when we fill class here, this sentence will give some meaning. So the children are in the class is correct. Now second, the dash is full of milk. So here glass will come. The glass is full of milk. Now third, the dash is green. So the grass is green. Grass will come. 4. I like to play dash. So I like to play chess. Okay. And 5 number, I wear a new dress. I wear a new dress. Okay. So children, you will complete question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. The page numbers are 28 and 29 in your English practice book. Okay children, thank you.